My friend at Cooking with Anadi has a special challenge out there. He's challenging us to make something using a pesky protein. Something that you're not comfortable making or something you've never tried before. Well, I checked my freezer and there was something in there that I have had for a while. And it's actually something I've never tried before in my life. It's this jackfruit, barbecue jackfruit. But you're probably wondering, what is jackfruit? Jackfruit is an ancient fruit grown on trees in tropical climates. It's native to South and Southeast Asia, where it's served regularly. And that's in this region. Jackfruit is the world's largest tree fruit. It can grow to be 100 pounds. Jackfruit has a thick, bumpy skin, and it's filled with plump, stringy pods. When ripe, these pods have a sweet, banana-like quality. However, when used for savory dishes, the fruit is typically underripe and a bit more firm, giving it a meatier texture. So I'm going to take this jackfruit and I'm going to make it into a jambalaya. I can't wait to see what jackfruit actually tastes like. In some oil in a pan, I'm going to cook up some green pepper and celery and some onion and some garlic. Now that the onion's translucent, I'm going to add 2 cups of broth, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of red kidney beans, and some cooked rice. Last night I had risotto and I had some extra, so I'm just going to use that as the rice inside of my jambalaya. Some Creole seasoning, and then the jackfruit. So you know jackfruit kind of looks like durian, but it doesn't smell like durian fruit. It smells quite good. It does have a sweet smell. But take a look at this. This is what the jackfruit looks like. I'm going to put that right inside. Have you had jackfruit before? Or durian fruit? Let me know in the comments. I'm just going to cook this on high and bring it to a boil. And once it starts boiling, I'm just going to put it on low and let it simmer for a bit. Let it simmer for 20 minutes. It's all cooked and thickened. I'm going to add just a little lime juice and some salt and pepper. Now it's time to try this jackfruit in the jambalaya. You could see a little bit right there. Let's see how it tastes. The texture is very meaty. It does have a tiny bit of a fruity flavor, kind of like a mango. Jackfruit ain't bad. It's a fun protein alternative. Oh, jackfruit, you pesky protein, you. What do you call a sleeping jackfruit? A slumberjack.